ULTI, or the Rex Income Max Option Strategy ETF, is a brand new ETF that just started trading a day or so ago from one of my favorite providers, Rex Shares, the same providers that offer names like FEPI, SEPI, and of course AIPI. Now this ETF is going to potentially be an ultra high yielder that's going to be in direct competition with something like ULTY, which I personally been buying a little bit here and there over the past several months. So in this video, what I want to do is cover ULTI. I'm going to go over the entire ETF, share with you everything you need to know about it, all the ins and outs, and what it potentially offers. Then later on, share with you my personal opinion on it, and if or if not, you're going to find it in my portfolio. So this sort of thing interests you at all, make sure to stick around, drop a like down below, and let's get right into it. My A to Z dividend investing ebook has already helped countless dividend investors get started with their journey. And my custom dividend tracker, the one I use all the time on my videos, has also helped so many investors stay organized and has actually helped them see their dividend income grow. Well, today I have something even better for you guys. When you click the first link down below in my description and you grab my A to Z dividend investing ebook, today you're not only going to get the ebook, but you're also going to be getting the custom dividend tracker, which you can use to track your own dividend income ongoingly, get direct access to my personal email where you guys can email me any questions regarding dividend investing. You're also going to receive a link to view all of my holdings inside my 7-figure dividend portfolio and see all the positions I add and take away ongoingly. And you're going to get for absolutely free my brand new high yield dividend investing ebook, where I show you the power of maximizing some of these high yielding ETFs and teach you everything there is to know about that also. This is going to be your one shot to grab everything inside of one single bundle, but you got to move quick because I'm not going to offer this for long. Now with all that, let's get back into the video. So heading right into the ULTI, the Rex Income Max Option Strategy ETF's fact sheet. Obviously there's no distribution rate as of right now because the ETF just started trading. There's absolutely no yield as of yet, but here's the following strategy. The Rex Income Max Option Strategy ETF is a sophisticated strategy targeting the market's most volatile US stocks with an option strategy that dynamically adjusts to changing market conditions. By implementing and managing a mix of put and call options on these stocks, ULTI seeks to turn volatility into a weekly income with downside mitigation against extreme market swings through active positioning. Now, some of the benefits of this ETF, it says enhanced income potential, aims to collect premium from both sides of market volatility, which is awesome. Weekly cash flow, seeking distributions paid weekly, not monthly or quarterly, which is also awesome. And I've been very guilty of enjoying weekly cash flow from certain names more than I honestly would have imagined. Active management, dynamic portfolio of 20 to 30 most volatile US stocks, adjusted as market conditions change. So a few things to note with this one, it looks like it's going to be a very similar strategy to ULTY. Obviously all the intricacies could be different, but it looks like this ETF is going to be able to offer the potential for a maximum amount of income because of the use or exposure to ultra volatile names. Now the gross expense ratio is 1.25%, so pretty pricey, but keep in mind names like this one are going to be very labor intensive. As far as the tax treatment goes, it looks like current distributions consist of 100% estimated ROC, but of course we're going to have to wait and see what the 19A-1 notices look like when the first distributions happen. Now with any ETF, of course, the holdings are going to be very, very important. Looking at some of the top holdings of ULTI as of right now, at first glance, there are definitely some extremely volatile names. Now because the names in ULTI are going to have high implied volatility, it means the market is pricing in potential massive swings, whether it's up or down, which means these names are going to be able to offer a ton of option premium. Now the number one thing the community has been asking or hoping for when it comes to ULTI is for an ETF to offer a ton of income generation potential, let's say anywhere from 50, 60, 80% yield, but also offer a little bit less decay than some other ETFs across the market that also offer massive high yield. Now my personal thoughts on ULTI are going to be very similar to my personal thoughts on ULTY. ETFs like this one and others that offer exposure to very volatile names are going to always be a very small portion of my overall portfolio, just because names like this one and others could offer a little bit too much volatility for what I want in my portfolio. But will I potentially be buying any Rex Income Max Option Strategy ETF for my portfolio? I probably will be adding some, but only in a small dose until we see what happens with this one in the future. Either way, I'm super excited to watch this one, and it's awesome to have so many competitors in the space offer us retail investors so many different options. But before I go, I do have a question for you guys down below. Do you currently have any ULTI in your portfolio? And if not, would you add it? Yes or no? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to please drop a like in it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks as always for stopping by, and if you are interested in investing, make sure to check out these recent videos I posted right here.